Today I am here to present our Save the Sea app. As our start, we can see the splash screen. After our splash screen, we are redirected to the onboarding screens. There are mainly 3 onboarding screens in our app. We can just skip them or we can go to tour. After finishing the tour, we can join in the movement by clicking this button. After joining in the movement, we can redirect to the home screen. We can see the rating and portal points and the history the user currently on. As our user progresses in our system, it will allow user to purchase pet according to the points they are earned and their history. It will determine the status and recognition of the user in our system. While scrolling, we can see the today's challenge. We can complete them and add 50 points to our total points. Below that, we can see users' weekly goal and quick actions he can take to joining action to save the sea. Okay, let's move on to our next screen, which is our learn screen. It is dedicated to educate the user about ocean saving tips and tricks. We have designed these tips and tricks as cards, and each card have a show action tip which will show actions to complete the action. Also, we can hide the action tip and move on to the next quick ocean facts. And also we have 5 cards and refreshed every day. Next is screen impact screen. Impact screen is dedicated to show the impact the user made through our app and his global ranking and total points he earned. Also below that, he can see the environmental impact he made through the journey, and below that, the user can see their monthly goals which will be reset after a month and each and every month. Now let's move on to a special screen in our app, which is the community screen. The community screen is considered as the most impactful screen in our app, as here user can see their leaderboard and their global standing. In our second tab of community screen, we can see the events tab, which will be used to acknowledge the user about upcoming events to save the sea and knowledge users and workshops. At our last screen of the community tab, I have the feed tab. In our feed tab, users can post their insights, post their scores, achievements, and all to the community and gain recognition and reach through the community. They can achieve all above mentioned things by just simply creating a post. For app is profile screen, which is dedicated for the user profile. In this profile screen, user can see their name, their membership date, and the level currently they are in, and the percentage to the next level. They can here, just clicking by here, they can edit their name, and our profile screen, we can user can see the days active, challenges done, point, and their global rank. And also our app allows users to have special badges and earn them through their journey by just increasing their points. Also, at the bottom of our profile screen, user can set their preferences according to their choices and share their progress, rate the app, and also as a special feature, the app introduces users accessibility setting, which will be used, which can be used by their preferences. Also, the privacy policy is also mentioned here to gain user knowledge about this app. Thank you very much for listening and seeing. Have a good day.